Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a lovely Audi A3 that we've taken in. So this is a 2017 on a 17 plate. It's the Audi A3 2.0 TDI Sport. It's the manual gearbox, 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in white, 95,600 miles from new, so up a bit on the miles, but believe me, this car is lovely. Really nice. Doesn't show its mileage. The interior is lovely, the bodywork's lovely. We've got 5 main dealer services with this car. We took it in as a part exchange. The gentleman who had it wanted a bigger car. He bought an Audi Q5 from us, and it is really nice. So let's have a look around. So starting on the front here, usual Audi grille, etc. The gentleman bought it from EMG Motor Group last time around. Sport model, so we've got some nice little extras on here. We've got sport wheels on here which look good. 5-door body, as you can see, obviously. On the back here we've got rear parking sensors. They were an option. While we're around here, let's show you in the boot. All nice and clean and tidy in here. And down under here, space saver spare wheel, all the tools, locking wheel stud, etc. We have everything with the car. 2 sets of keys as well. Okay, just looking down this side, all in lovely condition. Just show you inside here. Let's have a look in the back. So we've got the sports seats with this rather nice material. Okay, into the front here, full set of electric windows and mirrors. Heated and electric adjustable sports seats here. So we've got this adjustable section on the front of the seat here for leg length, which is nice. Extra adjustment for the front of the seat as well. Seats are in tip-top condition. Okay, nice leather bound steering wheel here. We've got the controls here for the navigation, phone, etc., and computer system on there. We've also got cruise control down there on the car, which is lovely. Then across into the middle here, we've got this little screen here which will just show you this. When you switch the ignition on, the screen comes up and that then displays navigation and all the other bits and pieces in there as well. We've got DAB radio on here, we've got navigation, we've got Bluetooth phone connection, all that sort of thing is on there as well. So we do have drive select on here as well, so you can set efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic or individual, different types of driving mode. And down into the middle here, dual climate control. We've got heated seats in here as well, which is lovely. 6-speed gearbox, controller for the computer, and then inside the armrest here we've got 2 USB connections in there as well. Okay, let's show you under the bonnet. All nice and clean and tidy under here. This is the 2.0 TDI engine, so the 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine that's used predominantly, widely I meant to say, across the Volkswagen Audi group. So fantastic engine, great on fuel consumption, and pulls really well too, so plenty of performance too. Okay, just to run through that again for you, 2017 on a 17 plate. This is the Audi A3 2.0 TDI Sport 5-door, 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in white. It's 95,600 miles from new with 5 main dealer services. Oh, other thing, recent Cambelt and water pump replacement done as well. Lovely condition. Please do give me a call for any more information. It's Simon Shield Cars Limited, Ipswich in Suffolk. Phone number 01473 658 091. Please do give me a call for any more information, or alternatively please do hop on the website. All the still pictures of the service history, everything's there, and that's simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.